Now let me say this right at the beginning of the video. Creating a meme coin, or any coin for example, is one of the simplest jobs in the world. It's not as difficult as you think. It requires zero programming knowledge. You just click, click, click friends, and you create your coin. But that's not the main point of this video. The main point of this video is how to make it viral. How can you create a meme coin that could explode? In other words, how do people make money from these meme coins? How can you earn? I will explain this. And I boldly claim that you will be very surprised while watching the video. This is a video that will surprise you. Now on Twitter and Instagram, you constantly see this lately. Crazy people creating coins with PumpFun. You are constantly exposed to people making $30,000, $50,000 from this. There are questions coming in about this. You can also profit. I made this video. This video will be popular. Because people will send this video to their friends on WhatsApp. That's why this video will be popular. Why? Because I know the dynamics of this community quite well. An interesting topic. As a society, we want to get rich quickly. And I don't actually blame the society for this. But the subject of this video is not about how to scam and create coins. How can you really create a coin, a meme coin, and make money? How can you make it go viral? I will explain these. You will try to make money without crossing our moral line. Let's move on to our video. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this video will consist of two main parts. The first part is how to create a meme coin through PumpFun. What is PumpFun and how is a meme coin created? This is a simple part. It's not very difficult either. The second part is about what criteria this community uses to create these meme coins. How are their names and images determined? And how do they make money? The part that will interest you is the second part. There is a timeline bar below the video. If the first part seems simple to you, you can skip ahead and go directly to the second part that interests you, friends. Now friends, I have entered the PumpFun. Bored? I will leave the link in the video description. I said, I am ready to pump. So I said, I am ready to pump and elevate. For this, we will use a Phantom wallet or a Solana wallet. Friends, I will show you how to use the Phantom wallet. Look, I say connect wallet and Phantom appears. I explained how to use this Phantom wallet in a video. It's 2 videos back in this tutorial series, but I am also leaving a link in the video description. You can watch that video from there. I have connected my wallet and I am giving my approval. For these kinds of transactions, I do not use my extra wallets. I do not use my major wallets, friends. I do not take that risk. Let's also put our signature. You need to create a username and a bio. So, what shall we say here? By the way, you will do these in English. You can easily do this for ChatGPT or Translator, friends. I wrote crypto volunteer just like that because I don't want people to buy this coin, and the bio part is important about yourself. I believe in blockchain. You can include things that convince people, like I am working on meme coins, etc. I am writing test here because it's a trial, and make sure to put a profile picture, friends. I also put a mysterious profile picture. I wrote crypto Jew. The username cannot exceed 10 characters. And I said save. Friends, I have just created my profile. This is the first part of the process. Start a new coin is a very simple button. Here on the main screen, you can see the coins that have been created recently. Scroll to the top and click start a new coin. Now, the name of the coin is very important. Here, friends, you will look at it. For example, if you are going to create a coin with a dog and a cat theme, Doge, Inu, Sh, Iba, Pepe, Bong. Let me choose a name just for demonstration by combining a few of them. Let's say Doginu. Okay, you will also choose a sticker. For example, Doginu. It became Dino, or like Dogenu. And here, you will write a description about the coin. Fill these out, friends. Write nice things here. Now, for example, I will choose an image that combines these two. Let's say I will choose a symbol, combine Doge and Shiba coins, and design a banner for me. I said I will use this as the official coin, image, and pressed enter. It will create an image for me now. You can get help here where it ends. I said the interesting part is not here. Wait for the second part. And friends, it made a nice symbol. I have a symbol that I prepared earlier. I will directly upload it here. I uploaded my symbol. Now, if I create this, people will buy the coin. But I will change these now, okay? I will say don't buy. This is a YouTube video promotion. It's an educational video. I said please don't buy. Now it says show more options here. This is important. Now, if you create a Twitter link, a Telegram, and a website related to this, the likelihood of your coin being purchased will be higher. We are creating this coin for less than about $5, friends. And if our coin gets listed, I will show a curve shortly. And if that curve is completed, you will earn a reward of about $0.5. Here I am asking, do you want to buy your own coin? Let's say, friends, let's buy $0.5 of our own coins. You can buy 0.01, but do not buy more than 5% of the total supply. Otherwise, people won't invest. I press confirm. And look, the coin has been created. I say wheel and let's go to my coin. Now friends, look, I bought it and 5 more people bought it with me. For example, while I bought 1.75%, someone else bought 5.5%. These are bots. Here friends, you can write something by saying post replies. I wrote hello guys and sent it. The more comments are written here, the better. Now, creating a coin is this easy. Look, there is a bounding curve here and it is currently at 14%. I said don't buy, but people continue to buy. And friends, when this is filled, my coin is created and it is transferred from here to the radius. And I am earning a reward of $0.5 and about 1.75% of these tokens belong to me. And as I said, I repeat, do not buy this coin. I am only using it for educational purposes in this video. Friends, in fact, let's go sell all of them now. You can buy and sell here even before they are listed, friends. When we sold here, I had put in 5 sol and it became 0.58 sol. Even before listing, friends, you can buy and sell here. Now, this is how to trade coins. When it reaches 100%, currently 14%, will transfer to my radius and my coin is live. We learned how to trade coins. Now the most important part has arrived, the narrative. By the way, the video you are currently watching is an award-winning video. We are giving away 20 USD to a friend who likes our video, subscribes, and shares the tweet. Narrative. They make money in such a funny way that you will be shocked. Now you will watch this part. I will start explaining now. Here's the thing. We are following important names related to crypto on Twitter, such as Elon, Vitalik, CZ, and Justin Sun. We are turning on notifications and these are like, hello, good morning, good day, the market is nice. Twitter is not important regarding these. But let's say he wrote something absurd. Elon Musk wrote hello instead of hello, but replaced the last letter with 4. They take that tweet and immediately create a coin. And this coin makes a lot of money. Now I will show you funny examples. A few days ago, on November 27th, Elon wrote an article called Vox Populi. It means the voice of the people in Latin. Look, at the same time, Vox Populi was created immediately. Friends. And it hasn't even risen significantly. Do you see its market cap? However, when I came to top traders here, look, these are wallets. It sold without making a purchase. I just went to the developer wallet. Here, these are the wallets that developed or the wallets that received airdrops from the developers. They haven't spent money but sold. 4,700, 2,800, 2,800, 2,000, 20,000, 30,000. 2,800, 2,000, 20,000, 30,000. Now, but pay attention. Vox Populi is not an English word, so it should be interesting. Extraordinary. Let's look at another tweet. Peanut was put to sleep. In Singapore, right. He tweeted a lot about Elon. Each tweet made a ton of money. Here, for example, he wrote Obi, Peanut Kenobi, and he tweeted this. Look, a token called Obi Peanut Kenobi was launched. The official one is here, and it reached a market cap of $50 million. And we are looking at the top traders, friends. I'm going up. Look, the top traders have made $60,000 without spending any money. They have made $48,000 without spending any money. Look, they haven't spent any money. There are no purchases at all. Sales of $48,000. They have made $48,000. They have made $43,000 without spending any money, or they spent $4,000 and made $95,000. It really seems very funny to me. Let's look at another example. Look, if he had written sports, this tweet wouldn't have gained traction. This was also posted recently, friends, a few days ago. He writes sports with the letter Q. Look now, watch. They are immediately creating a coin, a market cap of 1 million. I mentioned it before. It is bouncing off that resistance. It bounces a few times, but the area where the candles are filled is a market cap of $1 million. I'm coming to the top holders. Friends, look, no buying, no buying, no buying, no buying, no buying in these wallets. And look at the sales. A sale and profit of $102,000, a sale and profit of $88,000, a sale and profit of $64,000, $27,000, $26,000. Adushesh gentlemen, purchases. There is a way of thinking right now, mashallah. Now I can show examples like this for hours. I could produce a 4-hour video. I can show you a ton of tweets created from Elon's tweets. Or the tweets you posted that made a lot of money. By the way, friends, Binance's Red Package event is still ongoing. If you are not a Binance member, you can create a Binance account from the link in the video description. You earn a 20% commission reward and have a chance to win $30 that can be withdrawn. Details are in the video description. For the past few days, I've been making meme coin videos, especially about Solana. I've received comments like this 3 to 4 times. Why don't you launch your own coin? Launch your own coin. Sir, launch the coin? I am asking you this. Let's say I launched a coin called Monte Crypto Contu. This coin has no purpose at all. And I can seriously make money from this. It doesn't feel ethical to me. And right now, there are many people in the market doing this, such as Phenomena, YouTubers, or Twitter influencers. The only one I've seen with a smart use case is Crypto Kamal's NST token, which actually has a team behind Kamal. So, there are 10-15 people working, determining trade levels, analyzing news, sharing these in real time, and they are spending time and money, okay? This NST really has a use case. And yes, buying or selling this NST makes sense on behalf of a community. But the coin I am about to create has no use case at all. I am only concerned with my own business or that of many influencers. So, be careful, friends. It seems that a lot of victimization is about to happen here. I will not be launching my own coin, and I never plan to. My goal is to create nice educational content for you and help you make some money in this bull cycle. Or, if luck is on your side, help you make a lot of money. So, what is the next? What's next? Friends, next up is trading Solana meme coins with bots. I think the money is here. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I trade meme coins both with bots and on my own. But I think bots are an important part. These are next. I will explain the bots in the next video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe. This is a video we created with effort. I would be very happy if you like it. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.